Hello everyone, welcome to this episode of How To Tutorials by Levonotion Studios. My name is Lydia, and in this episode of How To, I'm going to show you how to add existing UV seams to your imported meshes in Blender. Let's get started. So I'll be using this character, and this is AY multi-character version 2 female, and she's just here doing her thing. So I have this outfit I modeled for her in Marvelous Designer, and I'm going to import it in now. And I'll go to File, Import FBX over top. So I'm going to bring that in, and let me stop the animation. And as you can see, this is the outfit. So now I've imported this in, and if I go to UV editing, it has UV, but there are no UV seams. If I select this, UV, no UV seams. If I select the character sketch, you can see the UV seams. You see, it has, the sketch is divided into two, and by using L, I must be in face mode. If I use L, I can select by UV seam. So if I want to add another material to this, I can just assign easily without trying to come to the UV editing. I can do that in any editor. So now to give this same top the same thing, the same functionality, I will just select the top, go to edit mode, then make sure the UV islands are all selected by using the shortcut A. Then go to UV seams from island. By doing that, now you see, you can now see the seams. So now I can use L to select each part of my island. So I can just select this face and just give it a new material. So if I go to the layout, you can see my new material. So that's how you do it. That's how you add existing UV seams to your meshes in Blender. That's it for this video. Thank you for watching. I hope you've learned one or two things from this. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to Levonotion Studios if you've not done so, and until next time, stay true to your creativity. Bye bye.